Okay, finally, example 4, evaluating using cofactors. Again, this is a 4 by 4. If we try to do the rule of Sars with this, you get the wrong answer. So I'm not even going to attempt to do it that way because it will give you the wrong answer. I don't know why it doesn't work on a 4 by 4. I'm sure there's some reason. I haven't investigated it enough to know. I, again, want to use any one of the 4 rows. Doesn't matter which one I use, but the one with the most zeros is going to be easiest. So I'm going to go with the bottom row, 4030. It has 2 zeros in it. The top row would be my next best. Then this one, then that one. I'd use this one last because of the minus sign. But again, with the zeros, I'd go with that. And again, if I establish column numbers, this is column 1, 2, 3, and 4 going this way. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 going that way. And what I need to do is I need to go column at a time. So there's my first column, and the number of the intersection of the column and the row is 4. The first column and the 4th row, 1 and 4 add up to 5. 5 is odd, so we change the sign. I'm going to go with -4. And then my determinant is going to be this leftover, this white space here that hasn't been used. So 4, 2, 0 going across, -1, 3, 4 going across, and 1, 1, 2. I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to apply the rule of Sars for that part of it. And now if I slide this over, oops, try to slide this. There it goes. All right, if I go right here, 0 is not going to be used, so we can just skip that. Move over to here, 3 is not a 0, so if we take a look and we're using the 3, it's in the 4th row, 3rd column, 4 and 3 is 7, 7's odd, so we're going to go -3. And then the remaining determinant is going to be the 3 non-colored numbers there. So 3, 5, 3 going down, 4, -1, 1 going down, 0, 4, 2. I'm just going to slide this a smidge over just to have some room over here. So if I'm looking at this part of it, again using the rule of Sars, I'm going to repeat column 1 and column 2. And then it's just a matter of multiplying down each diagonal. So I've got -4 being multiplied by this, which is 12 times 2 is 24. This, 2 times 4 times 1 is 8. And then this is going to be 0. And then in subtracting going up, I'm going to get 0. That's 16. And that's going to be -4. And then this guy here, I'm going to repeat row 1, or column 1, 3, 5, 3. In column 2, 4, -1, 1. So I've got -3 bracket. And then multiplying down, I'm going to get 3 times -1 is -3 times 2 is -6. 4 times 4 is 16 times 3 is 48. 0 times everything is 0. 0 times everything here is 0. 1 times 4 times 3 is 12. And 2 times 5 is 10 times 4 is 40. And again, I'm subtracting the upward. I subtracted the upward. If I put in the minus sign there, I just get the signs I get within the products. And then it's just a matter of evaluating each one of these. So I got -4. This is 32. And this is 12. 32 minus 12 is equal to 20. And here, -6 plus 48 is 42. 12 plus 40 is 52. 42 minus 52 is -10. And that gives me -80 plus 30. So the answer is -50. So that's basically what your homework is for day 1, just evaluating determinants. On the homework assignment, you'll see like a number. Just write that down real quick. These are all come from section 10.3, I think, or 10.4. It's like 4, 6, 18 CF, 44 RS. I mean, that's just to give you a few. 4 and 6 are 2 by 2s. 18 and 48, or sorry, not even 48, 18 and 44 are both 3 by 3s. This is going to be by cofactors, this is going to be by rule of Sars. Just practice those skills. The 2 4 by 4s that I put on your homework are going to be, of course, using cofactors. You can't do those another way. So if it says CF, use cofactors. If it says RS, use rule of Sars. Get good at both techniques for the 3 by 3s so you're comfortable enough. For me, when I'm doing the 4x4s, I always do the rule of Saris, though, when I'm evaluating the 3x3s that I get after breaking it down from what its original structure is.